What happened, buddy?
Blew that shit up.
What happened? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. You guys may have been wondering, first, where have I been? Two, why am I whispering? I'm gonna answer both those questions in one simple shot. Baby Charlotte. Welcome to YouTube, Baby Charlotte. Yes, that is my beautiful baby girl, and yeah, that's kind of what I've been up to the last couple weeks. So I apologize for not posting as much, and I thank all of you for sticking with the channel and all that kind of stuff, and sticking with me. So without further ado, we're gonna get kind of back into the swing of things. We got a lot of content coming up here in the fall and winter, a lot of cool videos planned with not only some other YouTubers, such as like Black Widow Supra, my friend Kevin McMullen, and other people like that. But we have, yeah, a lot going on. So, without further ado, let's fast forward to a time when she's not crying. Alright guys, so we are just waiting a couple more hours here for the sun to set for a meet tonight. It's going to be really crazy, a lot of shenanigans going on. I have to go run a couple errands. I'm not going to film that, kind of boring stuff. But yep, we'll see you guys a little bit later at the meet. Well, she's dead. Guess we got to get some jumper cables and move some cars around. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we are rolling. Bombing in the parking lot. Clear the area! They're coming! They're coming! Holy shit! There's 5 of them. Pray for us. Mustang gang. Hey, that's what Mike Burdick is. Alright. All right, we're gonna get a little two-step action here. A little two-step. Hey, what's up, buddy? My eardrums. Wow. I'm bigger than my camera. Damn. Is yours? Look at that. Very clean setup. Okay. Getting rowdy. Getting rowdy. So, my buddy Chris was on his way to this meet and he blew up his Skyline, so we're gonna go check it out. What happened, buddy?
Blew that shit up.
What happened?
RB20 went bang. So Tow truck driver's cool as hell, man.
Is he?
Yeah.
I thought you needed some help over here, man.
As soon as you texted me, he showed up. Literally going.
Man. She is. You got it up there? No boards? No, no boards.
Yeah.
She is. She blew up though. She blew up though. Skyline down. Man. She'll be back.
Yeah. Soon. 25.
25. Putting a 25 in her.
Yeah. Alright, man.
I just want to make sure you're good.
Yeah, dude, I appreciate it, man.
No problem. Alright, we'll see you. Dude, see ya. There they go. Caught him at just the tail end. Rip. Rest in peace. He still gets the RB20. Back into the one that still runs. Well, Chris, I'm sorry to hear about your car, buddy. I know it's gonna be back in the nick of time with the new RB25, and when it does, you know you gotta take me drifting. Totally looking forward to that. The viewers are looking forward to that. So anyway, it does kind of suck because we were gonna go, you know, cruise around and whatnot, do some Skyline shenanigans. Didn't really get to happen, but that's okay. Anyway, it's getting pretty late, guys. I actually have to go to work in the morning, so now is an effective time to end this video. And the garage lights went off. Now it's an effective time to end this video. Like squad, don't forget to hit that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, please browse the channel and subscribe. And just like that, we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.